Season 2, Episode 44. The title of this morning's message is, Hey, let's go on a Christmas camping trip. The setting, Moo is with Google, Chromia, and Firefox, and they're getting ready to go on a camping trip. The outdoors can be fun. They're spending the night outside under the stars when they see something strange up in the sky. What could it be? Scene 1, packing. Camping is so much fun.
I'm outside a lot. I can help us find a good clearing to set up our tents.
I have to make sure I pack all my medicine.
I'm all ready to go. I never unpacked my clothes from last trip.
I think those clothes will really smell bad.
Why? I went swimming, and so my swimming suit should be clean.
Oh no, it will have that mildew smell.
It's okay. Nobody is going swimming in that winter time.
I have to pack my medicine. Let's see. I have Panadol, running nose, this one, and then this one for coughing. Plus sunscreen, and I need to make sure to wear a hat.
Scene 2, the trip to get there starts at the MTR entrance.
I'm thinking that we should go to the flower garden behind our house. Then we don't have to travel so far.
That's not camping. Where will I set up my tent? In the flower bed?
In the flower garden, at least we won't be alone. If I get bored, I can always go and talk to the homeless man that lives in the park.
Wait, the family schedule says camping trip, not mission trip.
Chromia is right. If that is all the camping we are going to do, then we can watch the outdoors camping TV channel on our sofa at home. Or we can watch the python eat the hyena on YouTube.
Yuck, that's disgusting.
Pythons get hungry too.
Let's go already. We want to get to the campsite in Cyclone before dark so we can set up our tents.
I'm hungry. I want to buy dessert cake at the bakery. I'll be right back.
I have to go to the bathroom. What's my backpack, please, Firefox?
Oh, we should have started 2 days ago. We are not going to get to the campsite with this rate of preparation.
Scene 3, out under the stars.
We finally make it to the campsite.
There was never any doubt that we would make it.
I like the outdoors. It's so peaceful.
Who what?
I didn't say anything.
What's that?
That is an owl.
Should we be worried?
No, not unless we are mice.
That's reassuming.
What's that sound?
Chromia, stop making that sound. You can't be that hungry.
It wasn't me.
It sounds like a wild boar.
Scream! He won't bother us if we scare him away.
Ah! That did it! He's gone!
The stars are beautiful tonight. I see some are shooting. They go by very fast.
This reminds me of the star that the wise men followed to Bethlehem. It was there that they found the baby Jesus.
I thought Jesus is God. How could he be a baby?
He was born as a human being, but with the nature of God. Jesus is both because he was able to live his whole life and never sin.
Sometimes I feel like I get in trouble every half hour.
Jesus was able to say no to every temptation.
When the wise men arrived at the house, they gave their gifts and worshipped the baby Jesus. I can't imagine following a star from one country to another. Let me offer a prayer. Oh, Jesus, this Christmas season, we celebrate the star that led the wise men to Bethlehem. Because that is where you were born. You did this because you love us so much. Help us to find the joy of the Christmas season. There is the forgiveness for sins that only you offer us. In your name we pray. Amen.